The chilling truth. Facts about the worst snow in history. It's freezing, the wind howls, and snow piles up beyond imagination. Some storms have left an indelible mark on history. Ever wondered which were the deadliest or most destructive? Let's dive into the frosty events that changed lives and made history like never before. In March 1888, the northeastern United States faced one of the most infamous blizzards in history. With snowdrifts up to 50 feet and temperatures plummeting, cities were paralyzed. Over 400 people lost their lives, while advancements in transportation and weather forecasting stemmed from this catastrophic event. Siberia, known for its brutal climate, holds a record for some of the coldest snowstorms. The extreme freeze of 1976 dropped temperatures to minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit, trapping residents for weeks. This relentless snow tested survival skills and showcased humanity's ability to adapt to Earth's harshest conditions. California's Mount Shasta made headlines when it was buried under 15.75 feet of snow in just 5 days. This incredible snowfall shattered records and reminded the world of nature's raw power. Even today, Mount Shasta's winter legacy captivates historians and weather enthusiasts alike. These storms brought devastation, but also valuable lessons. Communities learned to prepare better, from building stronger infrastructure to developing better communication systems. Though snowstorms test human resilience, they've also driven technological advances, ensuring we stand stronger against future challenges. Feeling warm and safe, yet inspired by these chilling tales? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating history lessons. Hit the bell icon for weekly deep dives into extraordinary events that shaped our world, because history lives through those who remember it.